Hi and welcome to KarenaKosmetics. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. So I attempted to do a purple smoky eye. So the first thing I did was of course prime my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I primed both my eyes and then I used my beauty blender to blend everything to make sure everything looks smooth and that the eyeshadow applies correctly and just smooth. Also, I wanted to mention that I am wearing my personal lip gloss, KarenaKosmetics, in the shade Marie. It's a red subtle shade. The more you apply, of course, the more pigment is going to be shown. But for this case, I did not too much, but then also not too little because I wanted to, be a little flashy and show my red lips. So that's what I did. And then you'll be able to purchase this lip gloss if you would like to, or many other lip glosses, lip oils, body butter, or lashes. And the link down below will be in the description box. So the first thing I did was of course show you guys the shade that I planned on using from my Profusion Cosmetics Spectrum palette. I used the shade Rain, but the first shade I used was from the Nude BLISS palette by Profusion Cosmetics, and I used Ethereal as my starting eyeshadow, and then eventually I used the Rain from the Spectrum Profusion Cosmetics palette, and I used the Smoky effect from the Nude BLISS palette but in the shade of Mystique. So right now I'm applying Ethereal and it is such a beautiful purple lilac color, and I just love how it's sitting on my eyes and how it's already vibrant. You see me dancing because I'm excited. Like, it's a pretty color, and I normally don't do bold looks or just colorful looks. I'm more of a nude type of person, so this was unexpected and this was just out of the box. So that's what I'm doing right now, just applying the Ethereal from the Nude BLISS Profusion Cosmetics. I really like this palette because the pigment is very well present, but it can be a little flaky, like dusty, like a lot of loose powder coming from it. But other than that, I really enjoyed it. So then at this part, I'm going in with my Rain shade from the Profusion Cosmetics, but in the Spectrum palette. I tried to create this domino effect of shades from like dark to light. I really didn't know what I was doing, but I was doing it anyway. So bear with me. Like I mentioned in all my past videos, I'm not a makeup guru, a makeup artist, or anything. I'm just trying and experimenting and trying to perfect my craft. If you can say it's a craft, I don't know. I'm trying, y'all, so don't be mean. Also, if you're feeling this color, please comment below talking about, girl, you look cute. Girl, that's your color. Because, I mean, who doesn't want to be gassed up? So, gas me up. And also let me know what other colors or shades colors and shades are the same thing. Let me know what kind of eyeshadow looks you guys want to see from me. If you want to see a nude smoky eye, a brown smoky eye, or like an actual black smoky eye, let me know. So I'm still debating if it looks pretty or not. Eventually I'm gonna go in with more of the Ethereal, the first color I applied, because I feel like I lost that color once I applied the Rain shade. So that's what I'm doing now. And I feel like it's still a cute look, giving me purple rain vibes, like real subtle but not subtle because it's popping, So that's what I'm trying to do. And then I always use that one brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. I just use it. I think it's a blending brush, but I just use it for everything on my eyes because I don't know how to use the other brushes. So it is what it is. I got the job done. Well, hopefully you guys think I got the job done. I think I did. So now for the smoky effect. It's not too smoky where it's like like smoky, but it's a little smoky like a I mean, it's not like, it's not Pop Smoke, like, ooh, rest in peace. But it's like it's a little puff. There we go. I can say it's a puff. It's not too smoky. I don't know if that makes sense, y'all. I'm just talking right now at this point. For real, for real. Alright, anyways. So, yeah, I went in with the Mystique. That was the smoky effect that I tried to create and accomplish. But I think I did okay for my first time doing a smoky eye. It's not too bad. I always say that it's not too bad and it's not too good, but it's also not that bad. So yeah, that's what I did. And of course, you know, clean up the excess powder from the pigments that you used. And I used my blush brush to do that because I thought that would make the most sense to use. Then I saw I wasn't really doing anything. It was just basically blending it, making it look like highlighter. So I just went in once again with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up underneath my eyes and just make it look like a flawless look. So that's what I'm doing there, and eventually I did the other eye off camera. You know, this is just me. I should have taken off my lip gloss and just done a nude lip, but it was hydrating and I really like this shade, so I just kept it on. Hopefully you guys like this and enjoy it. Right now I'm just showing you guys the finished look, and it's kind of looking cute. I can't even front. I didn't put lashes on because I wanted to look as natural as possible. So what I did was went in with the Colossal Volume Express mascara from Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. Quick commercial. So that's what I did, and oh my goodness, when I tell y'all, I almost lost my eye. Like, I was finna look like Fury from Marvel with the little one eye. That's what I was finna look like, because I thought I was doing something trying to get the bottom lashes. I never do the bottom lashes, but today I wanted to be bold and hit the bottom lash, and girl, I done hit my eyeball. So you'll see that in this video, in the clip coming up soon. Like, I was so scared. I almost started to cry. But yeah, you guys will see when that moment comes where I poke my eye. See, right there. Cha. Ooh, I had to gather my thoughts and my tears. I was so shook. I had to get it together. But anyways, that is the look. And then the next few images you're going to see are pics of me looking cute with my hair down, or attempting to look nice with my smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Of course, subscribe. And share with your friends if they're into makeup or if they like makeup. Yeah, so just share with your friends. Let them know KarenaKosmetics is back better than ever on YouTube, on IG. Check out my website. Get you some nice lip gloss, lip oils, all that in the above. But yeah. And also let me know if you guys are feeling these braids. I've been getting a lot of compliments saying it fits my face. I think it does too, and I'm really feeling it. So that's just me fixing my hair, trying to look cute for you guys so I could get some nice pictures for my thumbnail. So yeah, I hope you guys appreciate it.